A picturesque park in Palo Alto has been open only to residents for decades. KPIX 5's Wilson Walker at Foothills Park, where the fight to change a city law is apparently gaining some new steam. Wilson?
Yeah, Alan, two confessions. One, I have never been here until today. And two, I'm not so sure I'm supposed to be here. This is a residents-only park. And after many attempts to change that, we could be on the cusp of actually seeing it happen.
Up there, the view is incredible.
Foothills Park, it's a beautiful, beautiful park.
A beautiful piece of land in the 1965 dedication plaque tells the story. The park was purchased by and solely for the residents of Palo Alto.
I'm not a resident of Palo Alto.
All right, you're busted. Lucky for Lena, enforcement is pretty lax on the weekdays, but now there is another push to scrap the residents-only rule altogether.
I just believe the moment is now where the city council needs to step up. Limiting access to that park was just wrong, should never have happened, and now more people are getting it.
Retired Judge LaDoris Cordell is the second name on a growing petition to open this park to everyone. It describes the matter as an issue of equity, as the policy has long been criticized as exclusionary.
People of color coming from East Palo Alto or Menlo Park, or brown people coming up from San Jose, there's this whole sense we don't want them coming to our wonderful park.
No, I definitely agree. I think parks are maintained by their respective cities, and I think it's kind of exclusionary for one park to only be limited to the residents of that city.
Now, there have been efforts to open the park over the years. City Council actually discussed this as recently as last year, but backers say this time is different and the momentum is on their side.
So it's time, if we really mean it, about changing things, and really this is the tipping point. That's something that can be easily done. All it takes is a vote of the majority of the city council members to say, let's open up the park.
All right, so what does that momentum look like? The mayor of Palo Alto has pretty much signed on to this, along with a slew of former leadership, kind of a who's who in Palo Alto. So the momentum really might be there. As you heard, all it takes is an act of the city council. And the mayor says he is going to take it to that body as soon as possible. We are live here above Palo Alto. Wilson Walker, KPIX 5.